Welcome to Board Briefs with Bridget. I'm Bridget Hazelbaker, the Communications and Marketing Coordinator here at Richmond Community Schools. At tonight's school board meeting, we celebrated the Hibberd Science Fair winners. Congratulations to Nadia Boschke. She won first place in Earth and Environmental Science and the Ball State University Department of Environment, Geology, and Natural Resource Award. Congratulations also to Erebus Wilson. He won first place in Biomedical and Health Sciences. Both students are heading to Indianapolis to the Hoosier Science and Engineering Fair in Indianapolis on April 6th. Good luck. We also celebrated the Richmond Red Devils Boys Bowling Team. They were crowned the state runners-up at the Indiana State Bowling Meet last month. Let's hear a little bit from our boys.
My name is Nathan Shaw, sophomore. I'm glad to be on this team for sure. It's brought me and it's going to mature me as the years go on.
In June, they will be heading to Nationals in Lancaster, Pennsylvania.
Hi there, this is Nicole Stults, your Vice President for the school board. A couple of things from tonight's meeting I just wanted to highlight. First of all, we had our proceedings with the debt issuance. We're moving forward in regards to discussions. We're basically looking at ways to finance projects district-wide for that. Finally, I want to talk about our preschool and kindergarten registration. That is coming up. It's going to be on a Thursday. It's Thursday, April 18th from 5 to 7, and that is located at all 6 of our elementary schools. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your continued support of Richmond Community Schools. I'll see you next time.